Rix Top 6 Party Time! Excellent! Woo!
Well, it might be a stretch, but I think I can come up with 6. Hello everybody, Rick here, and here are the real reasons why I enjoy Disney's Animal Kingdom. I have arrived in the park just at lunchtime, just after noon, which works out in my favor because one of the things I most enjoy at Animal Kingdom is a entree they have in Pandora. Let's make our way over there so I can show it to you. Actually, I'm gonna make a pit stop here in the shade and mobile order my food before I get into Pandora. All right, my food is all mobile ordered, which is Disney's preferred way that you order food. So let's make our way over there, tell them I'm here, prepare my food. Animal Kingdom still doing those flotillas. Goofy and some dinosaurs. Okay, we've arrived in Pandora. Let's go check out this food that makes me enjoy this theme park so much. Inside of Pandora is this restaurant called the Canteen. Let's pull out the phone, let them know I'm here. 8 minutes later, it says my food's ready. And here it is. This is the food item that is a reason why I love Animal Kingdom. It's the slow roasted sliced grilled beef bowl for $14.99. I have a rice and beans base to go along with my slow roasted beef and a black bean vinaigrette. And then I have to have a dessert, and I love this cream cheese mousse. All done with my lunch. It certainly is a reason to enjoy Animal Kingdom. Now, that bowl that I got, you can pick your own protein, you can pick your own base, and you can pick your own sauce. I've experimented, and what I had, the slow roasted beef with the black beans and rice, and then the black bean vinaigrette, the best way to go. But you really can't go wrong with any of them, but that's my preferred one. And then the dessert, oh my goodness, the blueberry mousse, terrific. I will say this, and this is the reason why to visit Animal Kingdom. I have been at my house, sitting on my couch, and Nikki and I have come to Animal Kingdom just to have dinner there. So 100% a reason to enjoy Animal Kingdom. And I would like to mention, mobile order is not mandatory. There was a line in there for like standby, just walk up and place an order. I'm just trying to get myself adapt at using mobile order in the theme parks more. And since we're in Pandora, we might as well stay here for another reason why I enjoy Animal Kingdom, Flight of Passage. They have sold out of lightning lanes. That's the mechanism by which at Disney you can skip the lines. And currently, Flight of Passage is a 105-minute wait. I'm gonna go ahead and get in line. Nikki's away in California. I got nothing better to do. Before I get in line, let me kind of explain how the lightning lane works. You have to buy those. Flight of Passage, you can only get in line 2 ways. Standby, which is what I'm about to do, or buy a lightning lane. If you're a Disney hotel guest, you can purchase your lightning lane starting at 7 a.m. If you are not a hotel guest, you can start to purchase your lightning lane at 9 a.m. and you do not have to be in the park. But those go fast. I didn't get mine for today, so I've got to go wait in line for 105 minutes. I'm not sure if I'm going to provide a full POV or just highlights. I'll decide that when I'm editing this video. So that was Flight of Passage. Very boring waiting in line, but the ride itself, a reason to love Animal Kingdom. Flight of Passage is one of the best screen rides you'll experience at a theme park. Whether or not you're a fan of screen rides or not, it is pretty awesome. We are Oscar Mike to the next reason why I enjoy Animal Kingdom. I mentioned this before a long time ago, but this temple here lines up to the profile of the mountains in the distance. This is not a ranking video, but the #1 reason to like Animal Kingdom, Expedition Everest. Now let's go see if the single rider line is open. The standby wait is 40 minutes, but yes, the single rider line is open. Sort of a mini reason to love Animal Kingdom, a major attraction with a single rider line.
Esto lo arreglaron, ¿oyeron? Porque ahora esto sonaba bien.
So the first part of Expedition Everest, pretty tame. But once you get to the top of the mountain, you have that backward section. That's when things really pick up. That's when the thrill level really picks up. And from that point on, Expedition Everest is one of my favorite Disney coasters. Now, does it rate as highly as the new one, Cosmic Rewind? I don't know, probably not. I think this is a bit more thrilling though. But it definitely is a reason to love Animal Kingdom. And since Tower of Terror is not a roller coaster, I think Expedition Everest might be the most thrilling ride at Walt Disney World. Factoring all the other coasters, Space Mountain, the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, what else? Big Thunder Mountain, Rock and Roller Coaster. That's pretty thrilling. Rock and Roller Coaster is one that will take you upside down, a couple inversions. But I think this one here is the most thrilling roller coaster at Disney World. I'm not saying it's the best, but thrilling, yes. Another reason I like Animal Kingdom, I enjoy Animal Kingdom, is because it has my favorite Walt Disney World treat. And I'm going to get in line right now and show it to you. The orange Fanta float, $5.99. Not only is it delicious, for that price, especially at a Disney park, a good value. Like having an orange creamsicle, one of my favorite reasons to come to Animal Kingdom. So I said this was not a ranking video, but those first 4 reasons were the easy ones. I didn't have to think about those at all. Those are 4 good reasons to like Animal Kingdom. These next 2, I did have to think about a bit. Another reason to like Disney's Animal Kingdom, the look, the feel, and the overall theming of the theme park. I love all the trees, I love all the foliage. The general areas of the park are very nice, but specifically the themed areas of Pandora, Africa, and Asia all look amazing. Great detail in the theming. It's just a nice park to walk around. Disney really did do a good job with the theming in all the areas except for one. I do not like Dino Land. Now I know that whole area has a backstory. I can't remember what it is, the other parts of the park, I don't have to remember a backstory. I've seen the movie Pandora, Avatar. I know when I'm in Africa, and I know when I'm in Asia. I don't need a backstory. But Dino Land, oh boy, I just wish they would tear that down and just redo it as something new. But the rest of the park, fantastic. Here comes another flotilla. This one featuring Pocahontas. We have a storm that is about to roll through. I better get to that last reason fast. We are at Disney's Animal Kingdom. I better mention the animals, shouldn't I? There's a couple different ways to see the animals here. A couple different walking trails. And then my favorite way is the Kilimanjaro Safari. Now the best time to do that safari would be first thing in the morning or like early evening, like right before the park closes. Midday is the hottest. The animals do not like the heat. They're like people. We don't like the heat. So that's not the best time to go. If you want to see more animals, I would recommend doing the Kilimanjaro Safari early morning and then maybe late afternoon. So there you go, another good reason, a very good reason to enjoy and like Disney's Animal Kingdom, the animals that they have here. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to mention a bonus because I know if I don't mention this, I might get some comments in the comment section. So as a bonus, I'm going to say another good reason to like Disney's Animal Kingdom is the Lion King show. That is Disney World's highest rated show, so I'll put it on the list. Don't leave a comment, I've included it. I mean, I'm not a big fan of the shows at Disney World, but a lot of people do enjoy that one, so I would be remiss if I didn't mention it. Yes, I go to theme parks a lot, but I also take road trips to fun stuff outside of the theme parks. In fact, I have a whole channel dedicated to that fun stuff. The link to it's right there. So go check that out. Go check out all the fun stuff you can do in Florida outside of the theme parks.